Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Govee car LED lights. It's actually really simple. I just placed them in each of their respective corners of the car, like where they go under. And then I brought everything in the middle, right here, all the things to hook up. And I'm going to throw them in the box, in the center console. And then put them through these little knobs right here, just so I can have them organized and don't let it close. So I'm going to plug these in quick, just... This doesn't like to plug in sometimes, so there we go. And then this, you can hook this up actually like to the side, but there's not much room, so I'm just gonna let it sit in there. But then I'm gonna take these and hook them right here. Hook these right here, so this will close. There's that. And then under here, it's actually pretty simple. You're just gonna want to take it and kind of stick it somewhere like right around here, right around there, where it's not going to get in the way of anything. And then that's basically it. And you can actually go and screw them in with the screws that's included, like right there. Those are the screws. And it also comes with zip ties, so you can manage the cable better. So I'm going to hook these up and I'll show you guys the after. Okay, so if you guys' cars are anything like mine, there's not really anywhere to stick it to down here because it's all mainly just like plastic and stuff like that. No real hard surfaces. So I'm just going to take one of the included zip ties and run it through these little holes right here. And then zip tie it to one of the parts up underneath here, like one of the holes. And then that should be good because this is not going to stick to anything under there. So I'll show you guys how that works. Alright, you guys, so this is how I have it set up. I just put some zip ties to some places on where they'd work right there. And then, as you can see, works pretty good back here. So I'm going to do that for the other side. As you can see, I did the same thing to this one with their zip ties, whatever. They came with the package too, so that worked out good. So on to the next one. All right, guys, and I got the final one installed right here. I just stuck it to this metal bar right here underneath my glove box, and that's all complete. So I think it looks pretty good. They are really bright, and you can see right there. It shows everything really nicely. So definitely worth the $20 or whatever you end up paying for it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.